B1.
Alright.
We have Jeff Miller's 1/64th scale Saturn V. This is a Cirrus kit, Cirrus rocketry. They don't make this kit anymore. This is the first flight since its last rebuild, so we can guess. It's motor ejection, motor backup, altimeter, Easymini altimeter. I285 motor with a 6-second delay. So we're expecting main at apogee. This flight is a commemoration of the recent 53rd anniversary of the first moon landing in July of July 69. Anyway, all right, Saturn V, let's see what you got. Continuity is good, sky is good, range is good. Let's go Apollo. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold on, we still have continuity. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, up and away.
Time for orbit.
6 seconds should be now. All right, we have separation. It's all still together. That's actually a pretty good flight for that big Saturn. Much better than the last time I saw that rocket fly. All right, it's all together, Jeff. I think you're in good shape.
Yeah, nice.
Okay, good flight. Pads are now safe. If you got them, bring them on up.
They're still walking that. They stood out there. So this is walking. Good.
Yep.